Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you are doing your preparation well for your board examination. I am Poonam Tokas. Today here you can see on the blackboard that I will introduce you Indian states, especially political map. In CBSE exam, you will get map question of 5 marks. So 2 marks question will be there from history and only from the second chapter, nationalism in India. So, to locate any location on the map, first of all, you should know about the location of the states. Okay? So, I am here with very simple trick to make your work so easy. You can see here a trick is already I have written on the board. Jahi Pehera, Gumkake, Taau, Pabiu, Nammitri. These are the states which are located whether on the land boundaries or the coastal boundaries. Fine. The internal states I'll tell you in between. So let's begin with the same. This refer Jahi Pehera. 5 states are there. Total we have how many states? 29 states. So see, Jahi Pehera, it has 5 states. Ja says Jammu, he says Himachal, Pa says Punjab, Ha says Haryana, and Ra says Rajasthan. In the same group, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Paschim Bengal यानी कि West Bengal. Bihar, UP and Uttarakhand. Na says Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. So let's begin to locate all these states in the map. So we do not have to go inside. We have to go along with the boundaries. Fine. See, first is Ja. This is Jammu and Kashmir. Fine. The top portion that is recently formed, this is Ladakh. This is not the part of trick. You have to just learn it yourselves. Ja, He. This I told you. Ja, He. Himachal. Next we have Punjab. Next is Haryana, not Himachal. Be remember. Haryana. We have Haryana. Ra says Rajasthan. So our first trick is of 5 states that is completed with Jahi Pehera, Jammu, Himachal, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. In the same we have 4 states in the next trick: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala. This is here Gujarat. The coastal region here, Maharashtra, I have tried to form the creation of the states here, but I think thoda sa space ka thoda sa problem aayegi. So please just you have to go along the boundary. We remember this. So Maharashtra, next we have Karnataka. This is Karnataka. Then the last, this we have Kerala. This is the part of already I tried. This smallest state of India that is not included in this trick. This is Goa. This is only the state where UCC is already implemented since it was merged in India in 1961. Uniform Civil Code. ठीक है, एक जैसे ही लॉज लागू करना, सिविल लॉज. नेक्स्ट वी हैव, सो दिस इज कंप्लीटेड विद इन दीज 2 वर्ड्स ट्री, जही पहरा, गुमकके. लेट्स रिपीट: जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल, पंजाब, हरियाणा, राजस्थान. नेक्स्ट गुमकके, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, केरला, and the smallest state that is Goa. So this is completed part of this north western region and southwestern region. So let's begin with the next trick, Taau. Refer here, the first we have Tamil Nadu. A says here Andhra Pradesh. And if you have remembered, from Andhra Pradesh, a new state is बाउंड्री के साथ जाना है, वेदर ऑफ कोस्टल रीजन और द लैंड बाउंड्री। सो आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु फर्स्ट, देन सेकंड आंध्र प्रदेश, who says Odisha. Next we have Pabini, Western Bengal यानी वेस्ट बंगाल, here we have वेस्ट बंगाल। अब बाउंड्री के साथ ही जाना है, एक छोटा सा स्टेट आपको यहाँ मिलेगा साउदर्न पार्ट में ही बीच में, और यहाँ बाउंड्री के साथ आपको जाना है, एज ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू, इसको छोड़ देना है बीच में, दिस इज व्हाट, P, B says Bihar, and who refer here, UP, and this uppermost that was carved out from UP in 2007, this is Uttarakhand. So till Pabiu we have completed our map. Now let's move towards northeastern states. These are known as seven sisters also, but in my trick you have only 4 states. Rest of the states I'll tell you without the trick. See, Namamitri. So let's repeat. Na says Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. These are the first letter of each state. Here at the top we have Nagaland. Then we have Ma says Manipur. Next we have Mizoram. मेरे पास स्पेस का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पर, but you can have an idea when you will have a proper map in your hand. And then we have Tripura, the smallest. छोटा सा रीजन यहाँ मिलेगा आपको, ध्यान से देखना. This is what? Tripura. I think इस ट्रिक से आपको मैप बहुत इजी भी लगेगा और इंटरेस्टेड भी लगेगा, as well आप इजीली इसको लर्न भी कर पाओगे. Then you can locate the remaining question of map. So already I told you कि नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट में हमारे पास सिर्फ 4 स्टेट्स की ही ट्रिक है. Rest 3 states I'm telling you here. This is what? Arunachal Pradesh, the toppest region. Arunachal Pradesh. Then we have here what? Assam. And यहाँ पर बांग्लादेश के जस्ट ऊपर छोटा सा क्लाउड की शेप के जैसा मेघालय. यही वो रीजन है, इसी में वो रीजन है चेरापूंजी में मौसिनराम, जहां पर हाईएस्ट, वर्ल्ड का हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल रिसीव होता है. एंड दिस यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज नॉट आवर पार्ट, दिस इज बांग्लादेश. बिफोर 1905 इट वाज इंडियाज पार्ट. ठीक है. एंड सो लेट्स कम टू the states which locate in the internal part. एक बड़ा सा स्टेट आपको यहाँ पर दिखेगा, that is what? MP. ठीक है. MP से ही अलग हुआ है बेटा 2000 में, ऐसे लॉन्ग सी शेप में आपको मिलेगा. दिस इज व्हाट? छत्तीसगढ़. MP से जो छत्तीसगढ़ कार्व्ड आउट हुआ वो किस ईयर में हुआ आपका? 2000 में सेपरेट हुआ. ठीक है. और बिहार का साउदर्न पार्ट बना क्या? झारखंड. ये फेमस है अपने झरनों के लिए, दैट्स व्हाई इट गॉट इट्स नेम झारखंड. ये भी कार्व्ड आउट हुआ कब? 2000 में. ठीक है. और अभी मैंने रिसेंटली बताया था 2014 में आंध्र प्रदेश से एक स्टेट यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेगा, दैट इज तेलंगाना. ठीक है. और एक छोटा सा स्टेट हमारे यहाँ बच गया नेपाल और भूटान के बीच में, दिस इज व्हाट? सिक्किम. So see, very easily we have completed all 29 states and hope it will help you during your examinations. In next video I will tell you the map of Indian map from the preference of your examinations point of view. Okay, so thank you.